Overdraft per cash book. The following attempt at a bank reconciliation statement has been prepared by ABC Co. Overdraft per bank statement, $9,650. Add deposits not credited, $10,300, for a total of $19,950. Less unpresented checks, $825. Overdraft per cash book, $19,125. Assuming the bank statement balance of $9,650 to be correct, what should the cash book balance be? Answer: overdraft minus $9,650. Outstanding lodgements, $10,300, for a total of $650. Unpresented checks, minus $825. Overdraft per cash book, minus $175.